Hi, I'm Richard Mayer, CEO of Real Spirit USA. Today we're going to talk about the real benefits of alkaline water and how to really drink it. Okay, you buy your machine, it's going to have 3 settings, 5 settings, 7 settings, and you go, why so many settings? Why don't I just drink alkaline water? Well, there is a period of time where you have to get your body acclimated to alkaline water. You do not want to start drinking 9.5. It won't hurt you, but it's not good for you. You want to acclimate your body over a 2-week period because your body now is hydrating a lot better. So all of a sudden you're getting all this hydration at one time. You don't want to start that. You want to start your drinking about 8.0, maybe 8.5, which is called daily drinking, and then you gradually work your way up to 9.5, which is the perfect setting of the alkaline for you to drink. Now, why do they have other settings? Because you have 10.5, some have 11. Well, if you heat water that's been run through an alkaline machine, the pH goes down. Okay, so, and then if you use your higher settings for cooking, you make coffee with alkaline water, it tastes so good. You can't believe it, because what does it do? Removes the acid, it neutralizes the acid in the coffee. It is so smooth, you can't believe it. You want to cook with it at all times, removing the acid that shouldn't be there. You have chemicals in your fruits and stuff. Use the alkaline water, it removes it. So with the higher settings are there for a reason. If you're going to make it hot, you can make hot tea, coffee, whatever you're doing, a soup, use the higher levels, because it literally will come down to about 9.5 when you heat it up. But if you're just drinking the water itself, you drink 8.0, 8.5 begin with. After a 2-week period, you slowly work your way up. So the 9.5 is where we want you to drink it at, but the other settings are really beneficial for the cooking. We want you to use the water for a lot of things, not just for drinking. Because if you use it through the gambit of your day, you're getting all the antioxidants, you're getting all the ORP, you're getting everything in the food you eat, in the water you drink, the coffee you drink. All that combines into a healthier body because you're getting the benefit all day long. Can you see it? Yes, you can. As you are in the higher settings, you put the water, you're going to see bubbles in there. What those bubbles are, that's the hydrogen bubbles. Think of carbonation. You pop a soda pop and the carbonation goes away after an hour or two. Exact same thing. But that's carbonation. We're talking about hydrogen in the water, and you can actually see it in the water, little tiny bubbles. And it looks a little cloudy, and then it kind of clears up. That lasts a good 45 minutes. And so after that, you're getting the pH value, but you're not getting the ORP, or the oxygen reduction potential, or the basic hydrogen for the detox and things of that nature. So you really want to, when you pour a glass, drink it, don't guzzle it down in 30 seconds. Yeah, you can go through 10, 15 minutes. And I always make my ice with my alkaline water, because now when I put ice into it, I'm getting the benefit of alkaline ice, plus I'm getting the alkaline water, and that really is nice. And you can sit there and drink, or if you have a cocktail, if you're like a scotch and water man, or a person or a woman, well, you put the alkaline water in that, your scotch is going to taste better, and is better for you because it's neutralizing some of the properties in the scotch that aren't good for you. So there's a lot of benefits of using alkaline water. And remember, it lasts about, the pH, potential hydrant, goes for about 48 hours. The ORP, oxygen reduction potential, or the actual part that does the free radicals and takes away the corrosiveness in your body, it's a couple hours. And after that, it's about gone. But the pH is still there. And the pH is very important, because that also, the pH, if you drink it, it'll raise the pH of your whole body. And that's really, really good.